Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this African threading method on my type 4 hair and how you guys can achieve the same hairstyle. So this is how it looks. I actually washed my hair the day before, that is why my hair is having this much shrinkage. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is to spray water all over the section of the hair that is remaining. This is just tap water, so putting it in a spray bottle will make the process more easier. After that, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the water with my fingers. So the next step that I'm going to do is to add this hair cream. If you have a leave-in conditioner, you can use it. So adding water and a leave-in conditioner or any hair cream that you have will help with making the detangling process more easier. It will be more easier to manage the hair as you are going to be combing it. So guys, right now I'm going to use this white tooth comb. I'm going to use it to make a center part, because on the remaining part I'm just going to do two sections. So I'm going to use it to also like detangle the hair. You remember when I said that adding water and the cream makes the whole process easier, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I am done with detangling the hair, so I'm going to use my hands also to just like try to stretch the hair. Then I'm going to use this thread, it's yarn. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and double the thread to get a much thicker thread that I can manage to work with, because the hair is thick. After cutting the thread, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the hair as shown. So I'm using my left hand to hold the hair and the right hand to move the thread in the direction that is shown in the video. So you should use your hand that has more power. If you're right-handed, use the right hand to hold the cotton. If you're left-handed, use your left hand, because you're going to need a lot of power when taking the thread around the hair. The other thing that you should take into consideration as you're going to be threading your hair is that make sure that it is not tight, like you're able to move the hair around. Otherwise you won't manage to sleep at night, because yarn is so tight and it doesn't move. Like once you thread it, it won't move. So make sure that it is not tight. Then just go ahead and thread the hair as shown in the video. Then don't worry about the white parts that are coming out, because it's the cream and the hair is being squeezed. So I'm just going to go ahead and thread the hair around up to I reach the end. Then after I reach the end, I'm just going to tie a knot there to secure the hair. So this is how the hair actually looks after I'm done. So yeah, the hair has been stretched, and I use this method to stretch my hair after a wash day. So guys, when I'm done with the first section, I'm just going to continue with the same process on the other side of the hair that is remaining. So there's no specific length of the yarn that you should cut, so it all depends with the length of your hair, but make sure that you cut a longer thread so that you won't have to join it. So guys, if you remembered, I said that I was washing my hair the previous day before like putting these threads on my hair. So I actually recorded a video of my wash day routine, so you can check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description and at the end of the video so that you guys can check it out. So guys, I use this method to stretch my hair after washing it. That is why I have braided it in bigger sections. But on the days when I want to carry it as a style, like when going to class, I braid smaller sections. Then after that I tie it in the middle. Then I add a hair piece just to elevate the look. So if you guys want to see me doing the smaller version of these hair threadings, you can let me know in the comments, and I'm going to record the video for you guys, like how I do it, the amount of sections I get, as well as how I style it for me to carry the style for the whole week. So as you can see in the video now, when the thread is short and when it's done, you can just go ahead and add another one. It's easy, it's not like hard. Just make sure that you add it just a few millimeters before the finishing of the other one, so that it joins properly, so that it doesn't unravel. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and thread up to the end. Then, as I said, when I reach the end, I'm just going to secure the hair with the knot. So guys, I'm done threading this last section of hair, so I'm going to go ahead and tie the hair together at the back. I'll make sure that it's not tight. Yeah, so I'm tying it so that it will be easy for me to sleep as I'm going to go to bed and put on a bonnet properly. And if you guys are interested in seeing my wash day routine, make sure you click the video on the screen, and I'll see you guys there.